Hello, traders. FS Speculator here. Today is Sunday, March 17th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos from Friday. And on Friday, the pound US dollar came in number 2, so I'm going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on the pound dollar, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So the pound dollar didn't really do a whole lot on Friday. I am definitely still looking at this as most likely a 5-wave down. A, I still think this looks corrective wave. B, I still think this is in a wave C. At this point, especially with all the news we got coming out this week, it may actually make a run for these lower Fibonacci levels, probably pretty likely. But if it does break structure before the big news we have on Wednesday, then I would definitely take it as a long opportunity for the continuation of the uptrend. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, no break of structure to the upside yet. So, like I said, there's probably a pretty good chance that this is going to go down further to one of these lower Fibonacci levels before we do get that break of structure. If we don't get that break of structure, then I wouldn't go long. I would just keep on looking for shorts on shorter time frames. Hopefully, we do get that break of structure either at the 61.8 or the 78.6 that I was showing on the 4 hour time frame, and that should be the end of this ABC correction and the continuation of what I think is just a subdivision of a much bigger wave 3 on the much longer time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to take a look at my new website linked to the bottom left of this video down here. As always, happy trading and good luck.